Hey everyone, it's Matthew from Nagios, and today we're going to be going over the bulk modifications tool in Nagios XI 2026. The bulk modification tool is a powerful feature designed just for administrators. It allows you to quickly update attributes of all your hosts and services with very few steps in between. But I would like to warn you that this is a very powerful tool. It can configure multiple devices at once, so I would always recommend that you have a backup snapshot saved just in case anything goes wrong. Without further ado, now let's dive right into it. Before we get started, I will quickly mention that this is an enterprise feature and that you will need the enterprise license to use this feature. If that is something you would like to obtain, you can contact sales@nagios.com. This video will also be available in Modern Theme. If that is something that you are looking for, go ahead and skip to the following timestamp. Let's go ahead and get started. To find the bulk modification tool, we'll find the small gear icon on the left side and select Core Config Manager. This brings up our Configuration Manager, so we'll find the tools on the left-hand side, select that drop-down, and there we'll find our bulk modification tool. Here we'll see a list of modifications that we can change. You can change contacts, add contact groups, add host groups, parent hosts, and variables. We're going to click Change a Single Config option. Here we'll be shown a drop-down list of configuration options that we can change. We can change max check attempts, check interval, check period, or retry interval, and a couple others as well. Let's go with max check attempts. By default on Nagios, this value is 5. I'm going to switch it to 8. We have the option to select different hosts, services, host groups, and service groups. So let's go ahead and check on some hosts. Here we can select one by one different hosts, but why would we do that? That's going to take a bunch of time. What we want to do is Control-Shift-Click and drag all of the hosts quickly so you can get more done efficiently. Once that's been done, they're assigned on the right side. Go ahead and select Close. If you're satisfied with what's been selected, go ahead and push Save Changes. Let's say we also want to change another configuration option. Instead of max check attempts, we'll do our check interval. By default in Nagios, this is 5. I'm going to switch it to 1. We'll go back to Select Hosts, Control-Shift-Click and drag, add our selected hosts. They'll be on the right side. We'll select Close, and once we've done doing this, Save Changes. And now that we've successfully done everything that we want to do here and make sure that you're satisfied, we'll click Apply Configuration. This green banner means that it's been restarted and updated with our newest configurations. Let's go ahead and check it out. We'll select View Configuration Snapshots. In here, we'll see the changes that have been recently made. We're able to view the previous and current snapshots with this button here. It shows us all the hosts and their previous values. By default, the check attempts and check interval were both 5. They are now 8 and 1 across all of the hosts that you have selected. Let's say for whatever reason you do not like the changes that have been most recently made. Well, we can restore those. Go to the Quick Tools on the left side, go to Configuration Snapshots, and we can restore to a previous snapshot from an earlier time. I'll go ahead and click Restore. Apply that configuration. Apply configuration. It's been restarted and updated with our newest configuration. We'll view the configuration snapshots. We'll view the changes again. And it has gone from 8 and 1 back to 5 and 5 across all of our selected hosts. To use this tool in Modern Theme, select the person icon in the top right corner, click on Account Settings, scroll down to Interface Theme, and select Modern. Scroll down again, select Update Settings, and this brings us to a Modern Theme. To find the bulk modification tool in Modern Theme, find Configure at the top, select Core Config Manager, and this brings us to our Configuration Manager. The bulk modification tool is located in the Tools drop-down in the left-hand column. We'll select Bulk Modifications tool. This brings us to a list of modifications that we're able to change. We can change commands and arguments, add contact groups, add parent hosts, and add custom variables. I'm going to go ahead and change a single config option. There's a list of configuration options we can change. You can change your max check attempts, your check interval, your check period, your retry interval, and a few others. I'm going to go with max check attempts. By default in Nagios, this value is 5. I'm going to select 9. In here you can select hosts, services, host groups, or service groups. We open up select hosts. You can click on a host you'd like to change configurations for, click add selected. But why do that? Why do only one? That takes a bunch of time. Go ahead and click remove, click Control Shift, click and drag, and you can select multiple hosts with ease quickly. You then click add selected. There'll be a sign on the right hand side. Select close. Once you're satisfied with what you've selected, you can push save changes. Let's say I also want to change another configuration option. Instead of max check attempts, we'll do our check interval. Instead of 5 minutes by default, let's say we do 6 minutes. We'll select our host again, Control Shift, click and drag, add selected. There'll be a sign on the right hand side. We'll push close, and then we'll save changes. Once you're satisfied with all the changes that you have made, we can select Apply Configuration. And now it has been restarted and updated with the newest configurations. Let's check it out. We'll select View Configuration Snapshots. And here's the list of the snapshots and the changes that have been made recently. Let's check out what's changed. On the left-hand side is a max check attempts, which was 5, and check interval, which was 5 by default, and they have now been changed to 9 and 6 for what we have decided to change across all of the following hosts. Let's say if for whatever reason you do not like the changes that have been made, well, we can go ahead and go to the left-hand side, quick tool drop-down, and select Configuration Snapshots. You will have the option to restore to a previous snapshot from an earlier time in XI. We'll click on Restore, Apply Configuration, Apply Configuration, and it has now been restarted and updated with configurations. We'll view our snapshot, we'll view the changes, and we have switched back from 9 and 6 back to 5 and 5 across all of the hosts that we have selected. I hope this video has helped you understand how useful the bulk modification tool really is. Being able to update your attributes from the tens to the hundreds, even thousands, all within a few simple steps. If you have any questions regarding any other products, make sure to visit support.nagios.com. And as always, keep monitoring, and I will see you in the next one.